We are here finally. Right, Mama girl? Yeah. Are you excited? So it's New Year's Eve, I think. It's New Year's Eve. And we're at my mother-in-law's. So we're gonna... How you just gonna pop your head in and not say hi to sunshine? Hanging out. We're not doing anything. We ain't doing nothing. I'm hanging out with Firecrotch tonight. Firecrotch. Firecrotch. You know who she is. They got all the good songs. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. That's my favorite song. My favorite song. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry. Don't worry about what's in my cup. What's in my cup?
Drink.
That's what's in my cup.
Drink.
No estaba en la cola. Hay mucha cola.
Es rico.
Es rico, tío, porque es suave.
Sí, no,
Es más suave
no te quema, no quema
Es más suave que te comprado, ¿te acordás? Aquel es más fuerte.
el Red Label.
No, ¿te acordás, no? El Red ya.
So I'm gonna check in with you guys later because
No, es que este es más caro.
yeah,
¿No sé?
Este es de
I gotta
65.
go.
Ay, Dios mío, y te lo estás tomando como agua.
My mother-in-law is always saying something. I never know what she's talking
Pero
about.
si te compras el
I
Johnny
never know what
Walker
you're talking
negro,
about.
es suavecito así.
Who you talking about, negro? Who you call
sale
negro?
como- Creo que sale 90. El negro sale 90.
No, no.
Eso, whisky.
¿Quieres probar?
No, thank you.
Es
He's scared of it.
Pero como sabes que es como la tequila que te quema acá, eso no quema.
Let me take my jacket off. Babe! Your dad said he's trying to get your mom drunk tonight. Roberto said he's trying to get you drunk tonight. It's like I'm trying to recreate 1930. No, you were born in 1950. 1987.
Hay que secarlo más, hay que secarlo más.
Definitely getting some loving.
Dice que hay que secarlo más.
Hay que secarlo más.
But yeah, we're not doing anything. Just here, waiting for dinner. It's like 8 o'clock. And waiting for dinner. And I haven't eaten all day.
Hay que ponerle
No puedo sacarlo afuera porque se ensucia todo.
No, acá.
Estoy diciendo a Lelo que lo tiene que sacar ahora y dice, no, ya no sé qué era ayer. Ahí está viendo el baño porque me dejó todo sucio. Pero
Y secarlo un poco porque
Yeah,
la
so-
está con frío.
se va a sacar solo. Se saca solo.
That's not mine. It's not mine.
Pero ese es el punto. ¿Cómo no voy a pedar? Es New Year's.
That's the chicken man back there. Chicken man! Hi, chicken man!
Como la hermana.
Not you, not you. Talking about the chicken man!
Yo lo miro, me muero de
Hi, chicken man!
Pero lo de ella todavía está bueno porque es de familia, pero la hermana.
And then we have the chicken woman right here.
Ella se cree la diosa.
Hi, chicken woman!
Ay, Dios mío.
Yo la borré de Facebook.
Oh, Sister Jackie.
Yo le dije, me cansaste con todo tu video.
Ay, no.
Te saqué de mi Facebook. Oh,
And
me
this is my
sacaste.
sweet,
Oh,
sweet
okay.
baby girl.
Okay.
Happy New Year.
Así sí, porque cada vez que voy,
Happy New
te
Year.
veo. Se digo, shit, te saqué de mi página.
Pero siempre así, como que es una gran diosa.
She said, reminds you of your sister? But she said, except your sister full of herself.
I'm full of myself?
No, your sister.
Thank you, Mabel.
Que es de la familia,
She
de
likes
todo,
yours because
de
of the
ella.
family.
¿Qué más
But
serio?
you say your sister is full
Pero
of
de la
yourself.
hermana, Dios mío.
We're
estamos hablando del
twins.
cuerpo nomás.
She
Hi,
doesn't record
Happy
her-
New Year.
She just recorded
I
her
love
body.
you. Me, Mabel, Albornoz.
Mabel.
Yeah, con my daughter-in-law.
Yes.
Yeah, this is the king, the queen.
Yes. No,
Yeah.
I'm the queen.
Oh, you?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm sorry. That is the princess.
Just, there's only one queen up in here, and it's me. Why is my daughter laid up with Fluffy in the bed? Fluffy, why are you laying up in the bed with my daughter? They are comfortable too.
And they are sadder than I thought.
This is some bomb food. Look at him, look at him. He's like a big kid at home.
Hello.
So look. So I have some chicken, some salad, some mashed potatoes, some ketchup here. And I'm just eating the mess out of this chicken.
What? Get some hot sauce.
Look at Jaxson. Jaxson!
Oh, I forgot.
You're in that bright light. I can hurt my eyes.
Are you eating? Yeah? Is it good? Who make the best milanesa? Grandpa or grandma?
Grandpa and Grandma.
Grandpa? Yep, that's what I know. Yep.
No, I said Grandpa.
Even
and
Jaxson knows.
You're right, Daddy.
Grandma. Look at it.
Yes, this is milanesa. So good. Bye, people.
Look at my dessert, guys. Look, it's a, I don't know about this bottle.
No, yo tengo que preparar esto.
So, this is, tres leche. Is this tres leche?
This is tres leche.
No, this
This is tres
is,
leche.
yeah, and this is, cheesecake with ice cream. And, look at that. Ooh,
Marcelo.
awesome. This is why I'm always fat.
No se espera mucho.
The New Year's, you gotta start it off
Mucho.
properly. So,
Es pesado ese cake.
not fat. Okay, Papa.
El cheesecake. El cheesecake es pesado.
Lo amo.
No, es rico, sí, pero no.
Le limpiaste el bigote del pelo.
Destiny.
¿En 2 meses?
Is it good, Papa?
No.
No.
Nania.
Why'd you still stuff in your face?
Tienes que limpiarle el bigotito.
No.
Can I put your transformer? Stop. Your face. Huh?
Contar que la deja
Can
bien.
I put your transformer? No.
Cara de viejo.
Yay.
Cara de viejo. Mira.
No, he eats the cake.
Mira. Boca torcida.
No le digas esas cosas, che.
Tiene la boca torcida. Boca torcida.
Oh my gosh. These poor dogs.
Yes.
Boca torcida.
I'm very spoiled, mama.
Te mire tú estás así.
Ya le crecieron, se le viene para arriba.
What?
I am.
What is FORKS?
I am exhausted and tired and full.
SPOONS.
Thank you, Mabel, for the amazing food.
You welcome.
Actually, I don't need to be thanking Mabel. I need to be thanking Roberto.
The what?
Roberto.
What?
I need to be thanking Roberto for the
Yeah,
food.
for things. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Hello,
Hello, baby.
What? I know where he is.
Okay, baby. I see you.
L-E-R-E-S.
You might want to get down before you fall.
That is not.
And I need to go use the restroom.
Anyways, I'm so sexy.
Me so sexy too.
Ponelo ahí
What
en la
is
vez.
C-O-U-T?
There is nothing sexier than I
I'm
am.
so drunk. I'm about to pass out.
Oh
Yo tengo
God.
una bolsa acá, Roberto.
I don't think I'm gonna make it to midnight.
R-C-H.
Take
Esa bolsa que está colgada ahí.
You said
Oh
C,
my
blah, blah,
goodness.
blah. You said this was
Mamá,
nice.
creo que todos estuvimos igual.
This one's
Todos sentimos que vamos a llegar a ahí. Con
You
él.
sure what's that? No. Who are you?
What?
Okay,
Mabel?
what are she?
No one did anything to you.
She's
Look,
crazy.
She's short. Look.
She's crazy. No, I know, I'm sure.
Yeah.
I know.
Can't even hold the camera down because I probably cut my head
She's
off.
crazy.
And I'm going to the
Ah!
bathroom.
Honey, I'm going to twerk to the bathroom.
Going to the bathroom. I'm going in.
I don't want you to come with me.
Because I'm not going to be.
You're not going to pee?
No.
What are you going to do?
Just do things.
Alright, go back to daddy. I need to use the bathroom.
Oh.
Backside. Back.
I
Little butty all time. Like I have to pee pee. And I don't want to use the bathroom with a little butt over there. Go.
I want to go with you.
I want to use the restroom, please.
Bang Jaxson.
I see that,
Hey, what's up?
brother. Hey. We are here finally. Right, Mama girl? Are you excited? Leah Clark. There she is. There's Leah.
She has a sleeper.
You like her?
All right, let's go in. Oh my gosh. Come on, guys. So it's time to go home, and I only spent $40 and I'm happy. Ain't nobody got time to be spending no $120 on no doll. Please. I'll wait till that sucker go on sale. Then I'm gonna get her Leah. Leah will go on sale. And I will get Leah for less than $120. Usually I give Leah at the end of the year to her. So anyways, guys, happy New Year's, and I will see you guys on Monday. Come on, guys. I think I done got everyone I came with.